High level versus school. One of these platforms is incredible at engagement. The other is built to get clients. Treating them as equals is the mistake, and is why so many people never get clients. Here's the real question. Are you building a community, or are you building a business that gets clients? Because those aren't the same thing. And the platform you choose decides what kind of business you end up with. I've used High Level every day for over 6 years, built 3 different 7-figure agencies on it. But I've also used School since it first became publicly available in 2022. And I've been inside dozens of School communities. Paid ones, free ones, big ones, small ones. I'm an affiliate for both platforms, so I'll be upfront about that. But I was a paying customer of both long before that ever happened, so this isn't a sales pitch. This is what I actually think after using both for years. So here's what we're going to cover. First, what School actually does well, and it does some things really well. Next, what High Level does that School can't, and most importantly, which should you choose? Now, some people stack School on top of High Level, and that can work. The question though is whether you actually need 2 platforms. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits with what you're trying to build. Let's start with School. School is a community-first platform. It was built by Sam Ovens, and in early 2024, Alex Hormozi made his biggest investment into it, so there's some serious momentum behind it right now. But here's what School does well. 1, community engagement. School has gamification built right in. There's leaderboards and points and levels and status indicators, fire emojis, stars, all of it. It makes your community feel more alive, and people actually participate because there's this gamification layer on top of it. If you've ever run a Facebook group and you've watched it turn into a ghost town, well, you know how valuable this is. 2, simplicity. The interface is clean, it's beginner friendly. You can have a community and a course live in the same afternoon, and there's almost no learning curve. They've also finally added video hosting and video streaming, and Apple Pay and Google Play, so they're making it easier to run everything inside School without outside tools. 3, discovery. School has a marketplace where people can find your community. Now, apparently, about 30% of new members in some communities come from that discovery page. So the theory here is that if you rank well, you can get organic traffic without running ads. So School is legitimately good at what it does, and it does engagement better than pretty much anything else, as long as engagement is the business. But that's where things get interesting, because School is a community platform. That's what it is, but that's all it is. Which means it doesn't manage leads, follow-ups, or conversions. Doesn't control revenue. There's no CRM, no pipeline, no way to see who's about to buy or who's gone cold. There's no funnel builder. You can't build landing pages or sales sequences inside School. There's no SMS, no email automations, no scheduling, no reputation management. So if you're trying to build a real, sustainable, and profitable business using School, here's what actually happens. You end up adding Calendly for scheduling, MailChimp or ConvertKit for email, ClickFunnels or lead pages for your funnels, maybe a separate CRM, and then you're duct taping it all together with Zapier. Sound familiar? I've been there. Before High Level, I was running 8 different tools, over $1,200 a month, and praying that nothing would break, but it always did. Most people don't realize just how expensive complexity is until they've lived inside it. School solves the community problem, but if you need clients, you still have to build everything else around it. So now let's look at High Level. High Level is not primarily a community platform. It's a business operating system. It was originally built for agencies, but it works for any small business that needs to attract clients, close them, and deliver results. Here's what you get inside. There's a CRM, there's pipelines, funnels, email, SMS, scheduling, courses, communities, reputation management, invoicing, and now a full AI suite. But let me show you what that actually looks like. Here's what happens when someone fills out a form on one of my agency's sites. They hit the landing page, they scroll down and decide to apply, they book a time on the calendar. Once that's done, they fill out a short form that gives me some initial qualification questions and filters it all automatically. The automations continue to work by automatically sending them an SMS, letting them know that we've got and received their application. Depending on whether or not they book an actual sales call, a further series of automatic messages go out, prompting them to either book the call or thanking them. It then also adds them to a pipeline so I can see exactly where they are throughout the entire process. If they don't show up for the call, a follow-up sequence kicks in automatically. If they do show and we close, the invoice goes out in the exact same system. One lead, one automation, one booked call, one invoice, all inside High Level. And that's happening whether I'm at my desk or not. That's what I mean by a business system. Now, last year, High Level went deep on AI. Workflow AI for smarter automations, conversation AI for chatbots and lead scoring, voice AI for phone calls, content AI for content generation. They even have an agent studio for building custom AI bots. School, on the other hand, has status emojis. Now, that's not an insult. When it comes to increasing engagement, the status emojis do help, but this is really a clear reflection of what both companies are optimizing for. And here's the thing. High Level launched something called Go Collab, which is their direct answer to School. There's live streaming inside your community, there's gamification, there's leaderboards, there's affiliate systems, there's automatic newsletters, there's native video hosting. Now, is Go Collab as polished as School? Nope, not yet. School's been doing community only for years, so they should be ahead on that. But High Level is closing the gap on the community side, while School is adding nothing on the business side. One platform is expanding toward a complete system, and the other is staying in its lane. Okay, let's talk pricing. As of right now, School is $99 a month. Flat rate, unlimited members, unlimited courses, simple. High Level starts at $97 a month for the starter plan. Unlimited contacts, unlimited users, 3 sub-accounts. If you're running clients though, the unlimited plan is $297 a month. Unlimited sub-accounts, white labeling, API access, a few other fancy tools to help you get and close more clients. So yes, High Level can cost more, but here's the math that most people miss. If you're using School and you need to get clients, you're still paying for a funnel builder, an email platform, a CRM, a scheduling tool, maybe SMS, and you add those up and you're at $300 to $500 a month easy. Plus Zapier to connect them, plus the time fixing things when they break, and they will break. High Level, on the other hand, is $97 to $297 a month for all of it. Just one bill, one login, nothing to connect. At that point, it's not really about which platform is cheaper, it's which one actually gets you clients. So who should choose School? Well, if you're building a community as your product, like a paid mastermind, a membership, or you're a content creator that's monetizing an audience and you already have your marketing systems figured out somewhere else, School might be the right fit. It's simple, it's engaging, it does what it does really well, and if you're just testing an idea, that $99 flat rate is hard to beat. So who should choose High Level? Well, if you're building a business that needs to get clients, whether that's an agency, coaching, consulting, or any service where you need people to book calls, pay invoices, and go through a process, you need more than a community platform. In fact, you may not want a community platform at all, cluttering up your workflow and confusing your clients. What you need is a system that handles the entire client journey. Attract, capture, nurture, close, deliver, retain. That's what High Level is built for. And if you happen to want both a business system and a community, well, High Level now does both anyway, so you don't really have to choose. So here's my take. School is a great community platform. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. But there's a reason that the biggest School success stories are people who already had audiences and marketing systems and ways to drive traffic. School helped them monetize engagement, but it didn't build the business underneath. If you're serious about building to 10K a month, or if you're already there and want to scale to 20K a month and beyond, you need more than community engagement. You need a system that gets clients and then keeps them, and that's why I run everything on High Level. If you want to try it, link's in the description. You'll get 30 days free, double the normal trial, and my complete copy and paste system loaded into your account. Same templates, same automations, same workflows that I use. Links below. Next, in the video that I've got linked up right here, I'm going to walk you through what's inside the system so you can see exactly what you're getting before you sign up. So tap or click that now, and I'll see you in there in just a second.